Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be creating a custom 6x6 glueless closure wig for my best friend's birthday. She added on a freestyle color, so we're going to get right into it. We are using our signature obsession collection, which is our virgin hair, 3 bundles of 20, 22, 22 with a matching 6x6 HD closure. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into making the wig. All of our custom wigs come 100% glueless, made with your measurements, fully customizable. You can make the wig exactly how you want, from the inside construction to the styling to the plucking, etc., etc. Wash, deep condition, made with our top quality virgin or raw hair, whichever you decide. HD lace. All of our wigs are made with HD lace. What else? Style, customized, like I said, 100% ready to wear. Comes to you already, so that way you can be dolled up, which also means you don't need a hairstylist. So everything is done for you. All you have to do is put the wig on and go about your day. Here I am going in with her measurements, making sure the wig fits perfectly, and I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of the video from here and just watch me work. New condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time. Only because you ain't here. Promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging. If I can feel it in the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm all wet. I don't even care as long as you're laying in my bed. I forget what everyone said.
Let me know if you can relate. Cooking for one person is so annoying. I'm obsessed with how easy Factor.
No sir, no sir, no sir, no sir, no sir, no sir, no sir. sir. No Maybach, but I ain't got a chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, put you in a toaster. Hey, yes sir. Got a little older, was a young flexer. You know that it's a go, cause make my jacket checker. Pop one pill, but it's a double decker. Yes sir. I ain't talking schools, I'm waiting on a transfer. Send a pussy boy to meet my ancestors. Put up on the block, it's hot flaming Chester. Yes sir. I just flew a bitch in from Manchester. They took me to jail, I should've smacked the arrestor. Hop about the car flexing like Sylvester. No sir, no sir. Bitches pulled up in an I-8 roaster. Shirt cost too much, told that bitch no sir. Ain't no fucking crying on my fucking shoulder. $100 steak and I don't like the texture. You can die today, just scratch out yesterday. Diamonds in my ring, money like a wrestler. Took away the good, it was a good gesture. It's your wheel bulletproof, I'll be the tester. Test that shit out like a damn semester. All up in the club, had to change the weather. Put that bitch out, she's probably seeking shelter. They asked me what I want, I said I want forever. Bitch keep calling the phone, I had to send an error. I said I won't call you back, well I can't remember. I want two bitches who #1 contender. Baby, tell me what I can do to make it better. Ice got me shivering and I'm wearing a sweater. Moving on the P's and getting G's vector. She so put you on a shirt, yes sir. Hey, no sir. Back 7 father, but I'm getting closer. He'd kill his mama for a little exposure. And he left her body where the fucking crows were. Hey, yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes, 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 yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. She be trying to smoke and every time I be big burn. Hardcore was heartburn. She trying to see what terms he on. I start talking out of turn. He came to give me brain, but I can't even learn. Did it while I'm driving, I can't even turn. Lawyer so good, I found my law firm. Every time he beat the case, well done. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. We'll put you on a stretcher. This bitch 5,000, no crying on my sweater.
And here is the finished look. I think this unit came out so cute. I love the color of it. Everything just came together perfectly. She wanted something that was kind of bold but also subtle at the same time for her birthday, so I think this unit did the job. If you are interested in a custom unit, check the description box down below. I have everything linked down there to my website. All of our social medias are linked down there. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.